Hey there everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about poly, a man-made material that's taking the lawn ornament world by storm. What is it? Why is it so great? And what are some of the things you can make with it? We're going to answer all these questions and more, and we're starting right now. So first, what is poly? Poly is a type of plastic that's made from recycled plastic products, like milk jugs and water bottles. It's then manufactured to look like real lumber, but without any of the maintenance. That's right, you get the look of real wood without the upkeep. Not only do poly lawn ornaments look amazing, but they're also environmentally friendly. By using recycled plastics, we're keeping these plastics out of our landfills. And because poly lumber is so durable, it lasts a lifetime. So you won't have to worry about replacing your lawn ornaments every few years. Another great thing about poly is that you never have to worry about splinters, cracking, or paint failure. That's because poly is not painted. The color in poly is totally infused and embedded throughout the entire piece of poly material during the manufacturing process. This results in vibrant, lasting colors that will never fade or chip. So what can you make with poly lumber? We make all sorts of lawn ornaments out of this poly material, including lighthouses, windmills, and wishing wells. They're all incredibly durable and easy to care for, so you can enjoy them for years to come. So, there you have it. Poly is a man-made material that's perfect for making lawn ornaments. It's durable, easy to care for, and environmentally friendly. Plus, it comes in a variety of styles and colors, so you're sure to find something you love. If you're looking for a way to add some personality to your lawn, poly is a great option. It's affordable, durable, and easy to care for. Plus, you can feel good knowing that you're doing your part to help the environment. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our informative and helpful videos. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the leading manufacturer of custom-crafted lawn lighthouses and lawn ornaments. Keep your light shining, my friends.